Looking to elevate your space with smarter, sleeker design? This lineup of clever Amazon smart furniture and luxury home ideas brings style, comfort, and function together in the best way. Whether you're updating a cozy corner or transforming an entire room, these finds make everyday living feel a lot more refined. All product links are in the description below. Sometimes you just want a comfy seat without dragging out a full chair. This folding floor lounger gives you that sweet spot between a sofa and a cushion. You can prop the back at different angles so you can read, game, or meditate without slouching. The padding feels soft and supportive, giving you hours of easy relaxation. And when you're done, you just fold it flat and tuck it away. Ever wish you could step into your own little gaming bubble? This pod chair wraps you in comfort while surrounding you with built-in speakers for that full-body sound experience. You can kick back, lie down, and play with a monitor set right where you need it. The curve of the seat supports you so you can game for hours without feeling cramped. It's basically your personal command center for pure relaxation. If you're tired of digging through piles of shoes, this spinning tower is a total game changer. It rotates smoothly so you can see every pair with a quick spin. No more hunting for the missing one. The tall, round design keeps everything stacked neatly without eating up your floor space. Shoes, bags, hats, you can load it all. And the best part? You snap the pieces together and it's ready to use. Imagine lounging on your couch and brewing a fresh cup without even standing up. These futuristic coffee tables hide a full espresso system right inside, giving you cafe-level drinks at the touch of a button. You get sleek, modern design on the outside and serious brewing power on the inside. Some even glow with soft LED lighting to set the mood. It's the ultimate upgrade for anyone who wants comfort and convenience in one place. Messy cords can make any room feel chaotic. This cable box gives you an easy way to hide power strips and extra wires so your space stays clean and sharp. You just drop everything inside, close the lid, and those tangled cables vanish. The openings in the back keep things neat while still letting your devices plug in normally. It works anywhere, under a TV, beside a desk, or near your gaming setup. If your entryway always feels cramped, this slim cabinet brings instant order without taking over the room. The flip-down drawers hide your shoes neatly, and the adjustable shelves let you fit everything from everyday sneakers to special occasion pairs. The textured front gives it a warm, modern look that works in any hallway. It's stable, easy to clean, and even comes with wall-secure hardware for extra safety. A simple upgrade that keeps clutter out of sight. If you're tired of soggy towels on the counter, this stone drying mat gives your kitchen a clean, elevated feel. The surface absorbs water fast, so dishes, cups, and bottles dry quickly without leaving puddles behind. You get a large mat for everyday use and a smaller one you can use as a soap tray or coaster. The subtle marble look blends right in, keeping your kitchen stylish and clutter-free. Sorting laundry doesn't have to be a chore. This hamper comes with 3 separate bags, so you can easily separate colors, whites, and delicates. Each bag has handles, making it simple to carry straight to the washer. The bags snap back into the basket when you're done, keeping everything neat and tidy. With a lid to hide laundry from sight, it's perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Why settle for an ordinary coffee table when yours can do so much more? This lift-top table transforms into a work desk or dining surface whenever you need it. Built-in USB-C, USB, and power outlets keep all your devices charged without messy cords. The hidden compartment and lower shelf hide clutter while showing off your favorite items. LED lights add a cozy touch, making it stylish, smart, and totally functional. Why watch movies on a tiny screen when you can take the cinema anywhere? This portable projector streams Netflix and thousands of apps through Google TV, turning any wall into a big screen experience. Autofocus and smart screen adaptation make setup instant, while dual 8-watt speakers with Dolby audio fill the room with sound. Compact and travel-ready, it's perfect for home, backyard movie nights, or even a weekend getaway. Big entertainment, no limits. Imagine a lamp that looks like a book and lights up your world, literally. This wooden book lamp folds open to cast warm, flicker-free LED light, perfect for reading without straining your eyes. Its magnetic design lets you create different shapes, adding a touch of style to any room. Rechargeable and portable, you can move it anywhere. It's practical, beautiful, and makes a thoughtful gift for any book lover. Keep your ironing board and iron off the floor and out of the way with this smart hanger. It fits both T-leg and V-leg boards, and even holds small or large irons securely. You can hang it over a door or mount it on the wall, making it perfect for tight laundry rooms. Installation is quick with included hardware, so your space stays organized without any hassle. Turn any room into a relaxing retreat with this essential oil diffuser and vintage-style lamp. It fills the air with soothing aromas, while the adjustable flame-inspired light sets the perfect mood. The ultrasonic design works quietly, and automatic shutoff keeps it safe when water runs low. You can add a few drops of essential oil for a long-lasting, cozy scent. Perfect for home, office, yoga, or as a thoughtful gift. Why settle for a plain side table when it can do so much more? This smart end table doubles as a powerful Bluetooth speaker with two 10-watt stereo drivers and a subwoofer, filling your room with rich sound. It also charges your devices wirelessly or via USB while keeping everything within reach. Made from solid oak, it's sturdy, stylish, and easy to assemble without tools. Perfect for your bedroom, living room, or office. Maximize your closet space with these premium beechwood pants hangers. Designed to hold pants, jeans, scarves, or leggings, they feature a clever 360-degree swivel hook for easy access and a non-slip coating to keep clothes secure. The slim, multi-tiered design saves space while keeping your wardrobe organized and clutter-free. Durable, versatile, and perfect for any closet, these hangers make tidying up effortless and stylish. Take your home workouts to the next level with this multi-purpose Pilates board. Designed for full-body training, it combines a foldable reformer board with adjustable resistance bands, allowing you to target arms, shoulders, core, and legs safely. Its compact, portable design includes a phone holder and smart timer for tracking progress, making it perfect for any fitness level. Transform your living room into a personal Pilates studio with ease. Keep your sunglasses and accessories perfectly organized with this sleek 360-degree rotating stand. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a weighted base, it holds multiple pairs of glasses while doubling as a jewelry tray for rings, bracelets, and watches. Its modern gold finish adds a stylish touch to any desk, dresser, or vanity, and the compact design saves space while keeping your daily essentials easily accessible and tidy. Upgrade your living space with this modern swivel accent chair that combines style, comfort, and functionality. With a smooth 360 degrees rotation and a hidden storage compartment, it's perfect for keeping blankets, books, or small essentials neatly tucked away. The plush foam seat and breathable textile offer lasting comfort, while its compact design fits seamlessly in bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices, adding both practicality and elegance to any corner. Keep your doors secure and hands-free with this windproof mechanical door stopper. Its adjustable design fits most door gaps, while the durable zinc alloy construction ensures long-lasting performance. Installation is simple, with options for screws or adhesive, and the sleek brushed gold finish adds a modern touch. Perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, or living rooms, it protects your walls and doors while keeping them conveniently open or closed. Highlight your favorite plants, artwork, or photos with these versatile indoor spotlights. Each light features a powerful rechargeable battery, long-lasting glow, and smooth dimming with multiple color temperatures. The flexible 350 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation lets you aim light exactly where you need it, while the remote control and timer add convenience. Easy to mount with magnetic or screw installation. They bring cordless accent lighting to any room. Bring a cozy, relaxing vibe to any room with this fireplace-shaped essential oil diffuser. The ambient flame effect makes the mist look like a real fire, while 7 color-changing lights let you set the perfect mood. With a 150 milliliter tank, remote control, timer, and ultra-quiet ultrasonic operation, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, yoga, or gaming spaces. These giant cloud-shaped loungers are the ultimate dream for anyone who wants to float in comfort right at home. Whether suspended from the ceiling for a floating sensation or resting on the floor like a plush cocoon, each piece is handcrafted with luxurious materials like faux fur and velvet. Complete with cushions and whimsical designs, they make a bold statement in minimalist spaces, offering both supreme comfort and a conversation starter. Corners don't have to be wasted space anymore. This 5-tier corner shelf turns any empty nook into a stylish storage spot. Its sleek S-shaped design holds books, plants, or decor without crowding your room. Made from sturdy engineered wood, it's strong enough for daily use and looks elegant in any space. Easy to assemble and adjustable, it's a smart way to organize and elevate your home. Bring a touch of magic to any room with this rose flower lamp. Its bonsai-inspired design spreads a soft, colorful glow that brightens up your nightstand, bookshelf, or desk. The adjustable branches let you shape it exactly how you like, giving your space a personal touch. USB or battery-powered, it's easy to move anywhere. Cute, charming, and versatile, it's the perfect gift for someone special, or yourself. Need a table that fits right where you want it? This C-shaped side table slides perfectly under your couch or beside your bed. The roomy top holds your laptop, snacks, or drinks, making it super convenient. Made with a sturdy metal frame and durable wood surface, it's built to last. Simple to assemble and sleek in design, it's a smart addition to any living space. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.